One of the sweetest moments in your YouTube journey is the day your channel gets monetized. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for monetization when you have reached the 1,000 subscribers count and 4,000 watch time hour threshold. Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm your tech informant. Currently, I do share tips and tutorials on AdSense, Google Ads, and YouTube in general. So if you love this type of content, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification. It's free. To start, make sure you have reached the threshold by going to the monetization page in your YouTube studio. If you have reached the threshold, the blue Apply Now button will appear. If not, you will see a Notify Me When I'm Eligible button. You can check this video on how you can continue if you are not yet eligible. So back to the application, click Apply Now. This will take you to the next page where you have 3 steps to complete. In step 1, you will review the YouTube Partner Program terms and accept them. In step 2, you will sign up for Google AdSense account. Then in step 3, your channel will be reviewed by YouTube, which might take some days or weeks. This particular step will start automatically after you are done with step 2. So in step 1, click Start, then scroll down to review the YouTube Partner Program terms and accept. This will take you to step 2. Click Start to initiate this step. If you don't have an AdSense account or you want to use a new AdSense account, select No, I don't have an existing account, and click Continue. This will prompt you to log into your Google account. You will notice that this Google account that I'm using already has an existing AdSense account. This is because this account did the Notify Me When I Am Eligible process before it reached the threshold. When you click on the Notify Me When I Am Eligible button, Google creates an AdSense account for you while waiting for your channel to reach the threshold. So now click Accept Association to link your YouTube channel to the AdSense account. This will take you to where you will enter your payment address details. Enter your details and submit. This will redirect you to your YouTube Studio monetization page. Now step 2 will be in progress and might take some hours to be done. So when your YouTube channel is successfully linked to your AdSense account, step 3 will start automatically. So if your channel has been reviewed and approved, you will receive a congratulatory message from YouTube. And when you log into your YouTube studio, you will see a banner above like this, and the monetization page will have a new look with the Overview and Supers tab. Now you are welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. The next step is to monetize your videos, and you don't have to do it one after the other. You can monetize all your videos with one click. Go to the upper right of the page, click Monetize Videos. Click Monetize All Videos now. Then ensure that Turn on Ads During Video is checked to allow mid-row ads to be set automatically. You can change this later. Then click Apply Preferences. This will apply ads on all your eligible videos, and this will take some minutes. After the process is done, refresh the page to see the current status of your video, and that's it. You can start earning money from your YouTube channel. Congratulations. Let me know in the comment section if this process was easy, and if this video was helpful. Remember to give it a like and also share it with your friends and colleagues. All the best. See you in my next video.